Fortunes are built and the transportation industry is changing for the better. Today, we're not just talking about stocks, we're talking about the future. Tesla is the main attraction with its innovative and revolutionary electric cars, and the stock market is the stage on which everything happens. This week, Tesla, a shining example of innovation, is at the heart of a financial revolution. The machines that have transformed transportation are being built by worldwide precision-driven robots. But what is driving Tesla's explosive growth? Elon Musk's ingenuity, the unrelenting search for sustainable energy, or perhaps a combination of these factors and much more. Join us as we examine the highs, lows, and thrilling moments that could influence Tesla's journey in the days ahead. This week, the stock market is a battlefield, and tsla stock is a fierce competitor. But what factors are at play? Will it defy gravity once more, or are there storm clouds on the horizon? This is for you, Tesla fans, investors, and inquisitive minds. But before we go any further in this video, make sure to hit that like. Additionally, there is a subscribe option. This is news regarding Tesla stocks. Let's start the film by imagining that you are going to go on an exciting journey. Is similar to a road trip to Disneyland. You've prepared your belongings, filled up the tank, and are set to go. The catch is that the adventure in this instance is the updated Tesla Model 3. It's comparable to the most luxurious ride at an amusement park, complete with bells and whistles. The hitch is that this exhilarating ride isn't yet available in the United States. It's only available in China and Europe. People in the US will have to wait a little longer for their turn to ride because of the other characters in this Tesla story. The Model S and Model X, who are like the cool older siblings in the Tesla family. These cars have been around for a while and have always been a little more expensive. But guess what? Recently, someone was so excited about this new Model 3 that they kept clicking the refresh button on Tesla's website, thinking maybe it was here now. However, it turns out that Tesla decided to launch it in China first. The Tesla price reduction and makeover, these cars can now receive a $7,500 tax credit in the US, which is like discovering a hidden treasure trove of gold coins. They lowered their prices for a different reason, not because they needed it to look cool. It's like receiving a surprise discount on a fancy toy. The CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, wants to sell more of these cars, and he's telling everyone about it. Now, let's change the subject and get started with the video we're watching today. It's like going to school, except instead of math or history, we're learning about something equally important: how much money Tesla is making. Think of this money as the company's heartbeat. When it's strong, it means the business is doing well. And if you own Tesla stock, that's good because it appreciates in value. The updated Model 3 has a sleek new design that is drawing attention and making people desire one. So it's no coincidence that Tesla has been making more money lately. However, this is where the story becomes complicated. During their last results presentation, Tesla CEO Elon Musk alluded to the possibility of lowering prices even further. Why? Tesla price changes? Well, the reason for this is that fewer people are purchasing electric cars than they once did. It's like having a lemonade stand and suddenly fewer people want lemonade. Why? Because people are being frugal with their money. They don't have as much to spend, so they're reconsidering purchasing an electric car. Now, let's untangle this a little. Tesla has changed the prices of the Model S and Model X 7 times this year. It's like being on a roller coaster that keeps going up and down, and you never know when the next twist will occur. The $7,500 tax credit is this lucky ticket. The Model 3 is the real star of the story. It's not just any car. It's like the lead actor in a movie. This car brings in a lot of money for Tesla, and people were hoping the new Model 3 would be even cheaper, especially in China, where there is a lot of competition from other car companies. However, even though it got cheaper, it's still more expensive than the Model 3 and Model Y. It's like a fancy chocolate dessert that's still more expensive than an ice cream cone. at last. Let's talking about Tesla's secret sauce, which is like cultivating a money tree in your backyard. They have clever ways of increasing their revenue over time. And guess what? The updated Model 3 is their secret weapon for increasing the revenue even further. It's like a magic spell that turns everything into gold. The new Model 3 is making its debut in China before anywhere else. China is really the battleground for electric cars, and Tesla wants to succeed there. They are up against another major company, BYD, in what is essentially a race to be the best in the electric car industry. The new car, which is being produced at Tesla's Shanghai plant, is priced 12% more than the previous base model in China, but it's not only available there. This vehicle is embarking on a global journey, visiting locations across Asia, Europe, and even the Middle East. This revised Model 3 is the first addition to Tesla's mass market vehicle inventory since the company's 2020 Model Y introduction, which was an enormous global success. As promised, the updated Model 3. According to Chinese testing requirements, the new Model 3's driving range is an astounding 606K, which is around 9% greater than the base model it replaces in China. What's new with the updated Model 3? Well, it has a sleeker and more refined look, like a makeover for a Hollywood star. The front end is smoother. The headlights narrower, the taillights are updated, and there are cool new wheel designs. Tesla has already started taking orders in China and plans to start deliveries in the fourth quarter. This could create a huge wave of demand for Tesla vehicles because it comes with several advantages over the current models in the competition. Additionally, they have replaced the present red multicode with a new color called Ultra Red. This new design provides the Model 3 a more upscale and futuristic appearance, which may draw in customers who enjoy fashionable and cutting-edge vehicles. Let's now discuss range, which is important for electric vehicles. Because of advancements in aerodynamics and battery efficiency, the updated Model 3 has a greater range than the previous one. The updated Model 3 has a greater range than the previous one. It uses a new battery technology from KTFH. This promises to last up to 700 kilometers between charges, which is great news for people who are concerned about running out of battery on lengthy trips. This breakthrough is more than just a technical accomplishment. It demonstrates Tesla's unwavering commitment to addressing one of the biggest issues surrounding electric vehicles: range anxiety. Imagine this: a battery pack that could potentially propel your Tesla for up to 700 km on a single charge. It's a game changer, especially for those who have long struggled with the fear of running out of battery power during extended journeys. For Tesla owners, the horizon expands, giving you more freedom to travel the world with fewer stops and more uninterrupted journeys, as well as opportunities for road trip adventures and commutes with renewed confidence. You won't need to carefully plan your routes around charging stations anymore, though things are moving in the direction of a time when electric cars will not only be ecologically good, but also incredibly useful for daily living. But this is where the fun really begins. This updated Model 3 from Tesla is loaded with upgrades and new technologies that form it into more than simply a vehicle. It's a clever and secure driving partner. One of the most notable features is the full self-driving version 12 software, which is anticipated to be released later this year and promises full self-driving capabilities. With the Model 3, we think that this new and improved Model 3 could be a game changer for the entire auto industry, not just for Tesla, as it offers significant improvements over the current model and the competition, and can attract more customers who want a stylish, efficient, luxurious, and smart electric vehicle. This could also boost Tesla's brand value and reputation as a leader and innovator in the field of electric vehicles and autonomous driving. However, it should be noted that a more affordable Tesla model is also in the works, which could have an even greater impact on Tesla's demand than this updated Model 3. While there isn't an official Model 2 listed in Tesla's future vehicle lineup, the electric vehicle manufacturer has hinted at the possibility of a smaller and more affordable model in the works. According to Tesla stock analyst Luc Venture, the company's continued growth and demand for Tesla cars will be a major catalyst for future profit growth. It's like watching a company that's always evolving, setting new standards, and leaving the dust. Tesla isn't just driving cars, is driving the future. This possible new member of Tesla's family has created a lot of buzz, and many people think it fits with the company's goal of making electric cars more widely available. In fact, Tesla CEO Elon Musk hinted at a new, more affordable Tesla in a tweet, confirming that a new model priced at $225,000 would be released later in 2023. This has led many to speculate that the new model could actually be the rumored Model 2 during Tesla's battery. Musk revealed plans in 2020 to create an alluring $25,000 electric car that would also be completely autonomous. Although there aren't many details available about this upcoming model, it's evident that Tesla is committed to making electric cars more accessible. At this price point, the Model 3 would be substantially undercut, making it the company's most affordable offering when it launches. The Tesla forming Model 2 development. According to reports, China is spearheading the entry-level vehicles development. There is certainly noticeable activity taking place behind the scenes, as Chinese media has even reported that development has already started. Although the Model 2 has not yet been formally announced or launched, rumors from 2022 suggested a possible release date later this year, but no official confirmation has been issued. Any good news about this project tends to increase the value of Tesla's stock. In conclusion, while the Model 2 is yet unknown, investors and enthusiasts alike are excited to watch how Tesla's lineup will change over the next few years. Many people are intrigued by the prospect of a more reasonably priced Tesla EV because it fits with the company's objective of increasing access to electric vehicles and may have a big impact on Tesla's profitability in the future. Positive developments in this direction typically have a positive effect on Tesla's stock price, and the EV community is eagerly awaiting more updates. That's it. We've seen how Tesla is anticipated to experience rapid growth in the near future. What do you think of the Model 2? Please share your thoughts on how the launch of a more reasonably priced Tesla model might impact both the company's future and the electric car market overall. Please hit the like and buttons in the comments section below if you would want to be updated on Tesla's most recent advancements throughout time. This is news about Tesla's stock. We'll see in our upcoming videos.